and welcome back to another video on my channel. For today's video I did a tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right now, which is with all of my favourite products and my favourite look that I do at the moment. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy and let's get into the video. Firstly, I'm going to be priming the skin, and for that I'm going to be using the MAC Fix Plus. And then for primer I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover primer. Then I'm going to be adding the Benefit High Beam just on the highest points of my face. Alright, so I'm going to do my brows and my eyes first. I'm going to zoom in for that. Because I have lightened my hair, I'm not going to do my eyebrows as dark. So I'm going to first start off with the Face of Australia H Definition Brow Kit. And I'm going to use the lighter shade. And I'm just going to start working that just in the very start of the brows. And then for the end of my brow, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Dip Brow in Soft Brown. So then I'm going to conceal the brows. I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. And then I'm just going to put that same concealer on my eyelids, just to act as a base for the shadows. Alright, so for the eyeshadow, I'm first going to be going in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. So I'm first going to go in with this shade here, which I've hit pan on. Then I'm just going to warm it up a little bit. I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm going to take the shade Blazing. Next, I'm just going to go back in with the Jaclyn palette. I'm going to be taking that shade there and just put that in the same place just to darken it up a little bit more. Then what I like to do is I like to go in with that shade there, and I just put that in the crease just a little bit, just because I like to add a little bit of a pinky shade. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush again and go in with this brown and just start deepening up the outer corner. So normally I would just leave it like this, but I want to add just a little bit of shimmer. So I'm going to go in with the Tartelette in Bloom and take the shade Funny Girl, which is just this gold shimmer shade. Alright, and now that's done, we can move on to the face. I'm not going to be adding false lashes because I already have lash extensions on. So for foundation, I'm first going to be going in with the Marc Jacobs Remarcable in the shade 33 Beige. And then I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way in Warm Beige. Next for concealer, I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. And then I'm just going to be adding some Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair. And then I'm going to cream contour using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep. To set the under eyes, I'm going to be going into the Shade and Light Contour palette. Can't talk today. I'm going to be taking a mixture of these two. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Powder in the shade C4. For my contour today, I'm going to be going back in with the Kat Von D palette. and take the middle shade. To further warm up the face, I'm going to be taking the MAC bronzer in Gimme Sun. For my blush today, I'm going to be taking my old favourite, which is the Marc Jacob Air Blush in the shade Kink and Kisses. It is unfortunately smashed, so I'm going to be very careful. I'm just going to dab my brush in, tap off the excess, and just put that on the apples of my cheeks. And then for my highlighter today, I'm going to be going in with the Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit, and I'm going to be taking the shade Glow Getter, which is this one. Finish off the eyes, I'm going to be going back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and take a mixture of this shade and this shade here. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush and take that brown and just put that on the very outer corner. And then to add a bit of hot, I'm going to be putting the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk in my waterline. And then for my bottom lash mascara, I'm going to be taking the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. I'm going to go back in with the Glow Kit and take that same highlighter shade and put that on the brow bone and in the inner corner. And then I'm just going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And then for my lips today, I'm going to be using the MAC matte lipstick in Velvet Teddy. And that concludes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up for me and click that subscribe button down below, and I will see you in my next video.